Hey Wagwan peeps, my name is Dutty Berry, and if you're new to my channel, then you might be spotting an accent. So yes, I am Jamaican. You know what I mean? So let's get to this Ellen and Bolt issue. So American TV host and comedian Ellen DeGeneres, I kind of feel dumb now. So Ellen posted this picture online right after Usain Bolt won the 100-meter with the caption, "This is how I'ma start running my errands from now." And as it turns out, the entire Twitter sphere turned against Ellen, blasting her, labeling her as a racist. So here's what some people on Twitter had to say. Some were saying, "Dear Ellen Show, whatever intern thought this tweet was a good idea should be fired immediately." You thought it'd be funny to post a pic of yourself riding in the back of a black man? Delete this racist garbage. So riding on the back of a mule, a horse, or some form of property is fun to you, Ellen? I don't think Ellen is racist. I don't think the post was offensive either, to me as a Jamaican. And as far as I know, Usain Bolt is a friend of her show.
There's a secret, and you said, or someone said that it's you eat yams.
Yeah, my aunt told, I remember they were interviewing my aunt, and she said, "Oh, I think it's because of the yams. He always eats yams when he's younger," but I don't think. I think she was trying to sell yams, man.
She's a yam seller?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So she's probably getting the sale up.
I see. Because I had yams this morning thinking maybe I could run.
Did you try?
No, not yet. No? I haven't tried yet.
And she does silly Photoshop-like things like this with celebrities all the time. People need to just loosen up sometime and stop with the hypersensitivity, you know? Not because something looks racist, that means it's definitely racist. So let me know, people, please comment below. Did you think that this post was offensive? Do you think that Ellen is racist? Do you think the post was racist? Comment below and let me know. Alright, take care until next time. Like, share and subscribe. Dutty Berry Show.